Very beautiful house from the 1880s, 70s, in a kind of neoclassical style. Inside there are many interesting and beautiful details. And the Waltershausen furniture are well represented in this house. Houses in the museum are equipped with a modern electric light, discreetly built in. The royal family in the frame. This case shows some more modern dolls from the 30s and the 40s. There are even a few plastic dolls here. This is an FMB American doll, but this doll is older, it's from the 1880s. This is the oldest doll's house we have, dating about 1840. Some of the furniture might even be older than 1840. The furniture in the top room are made of metal, tin plate and lead. They are of extremely high quality. This is a piece of furniture made of cardboard. Some very good Waltershausen furniture here. In this case we show all kinds of different doll heads. Most of the doll heads are of German manufacture and they date from 1830 to 1940. It's a very representative collection of different kinds of china heads. There is also a French soldier made of papier-mâché. and a half automation, a clown, and a very, very simple homemade doll. This is an East Asian theater figure. All these doll's heads represent the different hairstyles. Most of them are German, but we don't know exactly who made them. These three heads are probably made in Sweden. And this big head is a character head showing the opera singer Adelina Patti. And here are some later heads from the 20th century, and a face made of papier-mâché, and a half doll, and a fashion doll made of wax. Later heads made of celluloid and papier-mâché. Down at the bottom there are some Disney toys, including a couple of very early Mickey Mouse toys. This little Mickey Mouse was made in England by the Dean Rag Book Company, and the Donald Duck is probably Swedish. Now we are going up to the 4th floor in the museum, where we have musical toys, optical toys, tin figures, and savings banks. These engravings are dated about 1600 and show children at play. They are probably of French manufacture.